How do you feel about that?
Well, a bit angry.那我们今天一大早就出门了。今天我们要坐火车到台东。我们就很喜欢坐那个火车，可能是因为那个火车是英国人发明的，因此呢，可能觉得英国人跟火车有密切的关系，或者说，坐火车就是有个很浪漫的一种感觉。我们刚才外面看到那个中央山脉，还有漂亮的光芒，就觉得很感动，好漂亮，好漂亮。坐火车那个看风景会比较慢一点。How's your train journey?
This is my first time travelling on a Taiwanese train. I'm very impressed with it. Very good price, 3 hours on the train. Very clean.
And easier than riding a scooter.
Oh God, definitely.
Because we are done with that.
That was buckling, that was.
That was.
Yeah.
No more.
5 hours on the scooter, no more on the scooter.
No more scooter rides.
Trains from now on, which is great. I love train rides.
Everyone loves train rides. Okay.
We have made it to Taidong. And we didn't come on a scooter.
We have.
How was your train journey?
The train journey was very, very good.
Alright, let's go. We are in 鹿野 Wild Deer. 我们来到这里，因为我们来欣赏这里的热气球活动。但是目前没有热气球，应该是明天才开始吧。但是呢，身为一个台湾人，当然如果你要在国内出游旅游的话，一定要带自己的水果这样比较好。因为呢，我们是高雄人，高雄台湾南部，台南、屏东热带水果多了去了。东部呢比较少一点，因此呢，芒果要自己带。No, right, Dad. We bring our own mangoes.
We do.
So there's no hot air balloons, but we got mango.
I think the hot air balloons are tomorrow.
A few moments later.
So it's all happening now, Dad.
Oh God, it's so exciting!
It's incredible,
Look
isn't
at all
it?
the balloons going.
I know they're all happening now.
Fantastic.
So you can see. Yeah, this is great.
Oh God, yeah.
In England we have hot air balloons, but not.
I didn't think it would be like that.
I thought it might be 1 or 2.
Oh yeah.
I've seen pictures, but I never thought.
12 balloons going up.
Yeah, I never thought it would be like this.
1, 2, 3, 4, 7. 7 now.
So how many more to go?
Well, 5.
5 more. There you go.
Yeah.
Now,
I just can't believe the amount of balloons are going up here. 14 balloons now, and yeah, it's really, really good. It's quite a sight to see, I must say. And look, we got a wolf or something coming up now, just about to come up. But I just think it's incredible. You know, I've never seen anything like it.
morning time in Taidong now, and we found this cool restaurant.
It's lovely restaurant.
It's on the side of the road. The mountains are here.
Oh yeah, so quiet.
Very quiet, very peaceful. Taiwanese breakfast is convenient.
Oh yeah, and cheap.
We got the 荷包蛋 馒头加蛋，还有什么呢？ He's got his stuff as well. 这我最爱的早餐就是简单的馒头加蛋。And you got an egg?
Egg.
Just a starter, obviously.
Here's a starter.
加一个西方菜汉堡 还以为他在美国。There's your burger.
Beautiful.
And 这里我们有蛋饼。OK， 这个是台湾 classic.
Oh yeah.
You got to try some of this.
Yeah, I like that. It's nice.
You like these?
Yeah.
Now, what we did get here is we got 2 eggs.
Yep.
馒头加蛋，汉堡，咖啡，奶茶。
Yep. You still got my wallet.
Still pretty well. 240多块。245.
Well, that's a bargain.
That is a bargain.
That's a bargain.
That's a bargain.
Absolutely. What I'm saying, Rob, is I keep asking you to order me certain things, but different things keep turning up.
How do you feel about that?
Well, a bit angry. Daphon's just gone and ordered some more food. What is going to turn up? God only knows.
You ready?
He said he's ordered me something special. So what this is going to be, I don't know.
I've got you something special, Dad. What do you think about this?
I have no idea.
Do you know what it is?
No idea.
Are you angry?
Yeah. Now, can I just say one
You
thing?
can say. Sure.
Rob
You can say.
can speak beautiful Chinese,
Yeah.
but he can't read.
I can read
百
it.
货公司商店买一送一，聪明的柯南总是能轻松容易的解开困难的。
Read it.
I said to Rob,
Yeah.
get me those sausages there in a roll.
I just wanted to get you something different because you've
No,
never,
that
you've
is not
never
mine.
tried a manto.
That I don't I knew you'd order
You've
that.
never tried a manto.
Yes, I have.
When?
You bought one home for me from a breakfast shop.
Did you like it?
No.
Okay. Do you want to try this one?
No.
This one.
No. See?
This is for you.
No.
This is for you. You
No,
gotta try it.
It's not a sausage.
All right.
Why didn't you get it in a normal roll? That's quite nice. I ordered a roll. Not a bad one.
Manto.
A manto.
What do you think about the manto though?
What are they made of?
A flour, just a white bread roll with black sugar to make it brown.
So it's a proper roll.
Yeah. Here we are.
Thinking I was in Switzerland
Yeah.
with these cows.
But it's actually Taiwan.
It's in Taiwan.
Now I think that's a great thing about Taiwan. We've just come from Kaohsiung.
And it's the element of surprise.
No, listen to me.
No?
We've just come from Kaohsiung and go from a city and then we completely change the environment.
Oh yeah, it's beautiful.
In the
around here.
mountains
Look at
with
this.
cows. We thought it was in Switzerland.
Oh,
Now,
yeah.
I'll tell you a story about this place.
Go on.
这个初鹿牧场. Here, the man that invented Toblerone,
No.
he came here.
Really?
Yeah. He came here and got the idea.
Oh.
Came here and got the idea for Toblerone.
Really?
He saw this and said, let's take it back to Switzerland.
Really?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Dutch cows.
That's it.
And they're pretty nice actually.
Oh yeah.
不知道他是听得懂中文、荷兰文还是英文，不知道怎么跟他那个沟通，有点怕怕可能有误会。Okay, right then. It's very hot. We're at a milk farm,
We are.
so we've looked at the cows, and then the only thing left to do is
Drink their milk
drink their milk
and eat their ice cream.
and eat their ice cream. Obviously,
Yeah.
it is very hot, so we should eat the ice cream first before it melts.
Yeah, I
so
agree
let's
with that.
try their rather delicious ice cream.
Oh, that's lovely.
That is nice.
Oh, that is so creamy.
That is very creamy. That
is
does have a
nice.
very fresh milk flavour.
Oh, it does. Oh, lovely.
That tastes like real
Dairy ice cream.
dairy ice cream.
Yeah.
Natural ice cream.
Oh yeah. And what was it? Very expensive or not?
No, milk was 40, basically the same price as you'd pay in, a little bit more. I think Family Mart, about the same
Family
price.
Mart 7-Eleven. And the ice cream?
Well, 35 each or something.
Oh, it's cheap.
35, yeah, quite cheap actually.
But you have to eat it pretty quick.
I like to scrape around the
Oh,
edges.
so do I. Because it's melted.
Let's try a bit of milk. Smells good.
Oh, that is lovely. That is so refreshing.
That is refreshing. Quite creamy.
Oh, yeah. That is nice.
Quite a creamy aftertaste.
Oh, yeah.
Better than Haagen-Dazs and things.
Oh, yeah. Ice cream like Haagen-Dazs are pretty sweet, aren't they?
Yeah, a little bit too
Yeah,
sweet. This
yeah.
is more natural flavour.
It's natural, yeah. Oh, my God. What you got there now?
This is, I got you another ice cream.
Yeah, look at that. That is,
Anyway,
it's lovely, though, Worley ice cream.
but again, a very natural taste. Really has a milk taste, doesn't it?
So this ice cream is the same as that one, but Worley. Oh, lovely. Oh, it's got a real natural milk taste.
Not too sweet, it's nice.
Oh, yeah.
All right then, Dad.
Well,
So this is nearly the end of the trip.
Yep.
We're about to go back to Kaohsiung,
we are.
and I just brought my dad up here to enjoy the scenery.
And what a beautiful view it is.
Yeah,
We've ridden the scooter up. I think it's absolutely breathtaking up here. Look at this view. We are right up the mountain. The clouds are over the top of the mountain, so we're pretty high. But,
Yeah.
what a trip to Taidong.
yeah. And I think the great thing about Taiwan is you always find something new and
So
surprising.
many different places.
Different places,
Oh, yeah.
different scenery, different food, different fruit.
But you've got to explore these places.
Yeah, and
Because
explore this island.
They're not going to come to you. You have to go to them.
That's right. So, especially if you've never visited Taiwan,
Look at this.
this is like Hawaii, you know?
Well, it's paradise. Isn't
It is. It is actually an incredible place. So that's the end of today's video. We hope you enjoyed it,
Yep.
and we hope you subscribe,
Yep.
share the video,
Yep.
and we'll see you next time.
Yep. See you next time.
Bye bye.
Bye.